Alright, yo. Today we've got ourselves the Elgato Facecam. Now, this is an interesting one. I've been seeing a lot of footage with this on socials going around, and yeah, essentially the quality on this is looking mad. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut away to some footage showing you guys the actual video quality. But this is a go. Whether you're streaming specifically for streaming, it's got low latency, shown on the box, 1080p, 60, and it's got an Elgato prime lens as well. So we're looking at the pricier side. I think I see it on a special price at the moment for £150. Now I've already got the cable for this thing. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C, USB 3 specifically. Your standard, manual. This is the camera itself. So all in all, it's not that large, but larger than your typical webcam. Although in 2022, typical webcams are getting a bit bigger. It's got a nice little lens cap, which I like. Just sort of protect the lens there, which is nice, just plastic. So that is decent. It clips in place as well. At the bottom, you've got little rubber feet, a little rubber section as well. And then I've also already got a little section for this here. So this is the clip that you can actually have an adjustable shoe mount here, which screws on, and you can actually tilt the level. So this is Elgato branded as well. So essentially, if I can open it, you can then clip this. It's got nice rubberized texture on the inside. You can clip this to the back of your display any way that you wish, so that you can get things popping. This pops into here like this. In fact, let's go ahead and screw it on. I'm quite excited for this one, I'll be honest. I mean, I spent a long time using just some standard Windows, I can't even show you, some like just Microsoft 720p webcam, which to be fair is not terrible, but I mean, when you're on a WebEx or a Zoom call doing some meetings, you want to look professional. So this is actually going to step your game up quite significantly. So yeah, I'm excited to see this. But yeah, this is what it's like, and then you can sort of tilt this up and down however you wish, which is nice, left and right. So that's a nice sort of subtle fit just there. And then yeah, obviously your USB cable to get you going. So it's plug and play, man. Nice and easy. Let me not mash up this box. Yeah, again, instruction manuals on the inside. That is it. So yeah, let's cut away to some footage and we'll show you what it's saying. How do I pause this thing now? I'm gonna leave this Elgato Facecam running whilst we try and sort some nice lighting out. Here's the Elgato Facecam box. I've got an LED lighting strip behind me. The natural light is going down. So if I put that light to white, the thing, I need to make sure this thing is always facing that way now. And if I turn this brightness up to max again, it's already on max. It doesn't really do a huge amount, so let's see what we can do with this then. Oh. Alright. So I can play with... that's a bit wild. Alright, we'll work with what we got, man. We'll work with what we've got. You get me? Yeah, cool. So here you go. The camera's nice.